So the way that solar works, there's different configurations now that we're sort of modifying and adapting over time as different utility companies change the way they do things. But at a very basic level, and this is generally done and how it's done for the most part across the country, is we'll install the solar up on the roof or on the ground. The house will use electricity real time. So while the sun's shining, the solar system is producing electricity. The house will take from the solar system what it needs in that moment. If the solar system is producing more than the home needs in any given moment, the excess will go out to the grid, to the utility grid, and there will be an arrangement between the utility and the homeowner as to what they get for that. It could be a one-for-one credit. Everything you send to them, you get a credit for of the same value, or they'll buy it back at avoided costs, meaning they will buy the energy from you at what it would have cost them to create it themselves. So there's a few different things there, but essentially excess energy that the home is not using in real time is going back to the utility grid, and you get some sort of credit for it in most cases. And then at nighttime, when the sun goes down, the solar energy stopped. At that point, you get your energy from the grid, just the same as you have in the past. And if there is a credit or something like that, you would use that up before you have to start purchasing it from the utility company. If there are batteries, if there's storage, then there's sort of another step in there. The batteries would stand between the home and the utility. In other words, excess energy would go to the batteries first, and then only if the batteries are full and the home's needs are satisfied in that moment, only that excess would then go to the utility at that point. So just again, there's a few different configurations depending on the utility company and a few other considerations.